Hey Bird Gang, today I'm happy to announce our new version of CodeSmash, which is now a powerful platform for managing your VPS servers as well. So with our new ChatGPT integration, you can now easily fix deployment scripts and actually launch any app on your own VPS server as well. And of course, all of this is available with no lock-in to the platform itself. So with that being said, let me show you how CodeSmash actually works. So guys, let's get started and deploy a very simple WordPress website. We're going to select a light sail instance, and right here we can see some details. For example, the specs. You can toggle between a Linux or maybe a Windows machine. For example, it depends on which app you select here. If it's a Windows-based app, you'll see the specs listed as Windows. But in our case, we're just going to go with a simple WordPress one. And yeah, let's go with the WordPress right here. Just click on this one. And now that you've selected a WordPress app, you can just type in and give your app a name like this. And it's going to be deployed as soon as you click deploy right here. That's fine. And just remember, you don't have to provision a VPS. CodeSmash is going to do this automatically, and it's going to set up your WordPress as well. So you can basically deploy more than 35 apps on your own. And basically, our WordPress website has already been set up. You can see it right here. You can see the specs. But if we go and click on the network tab, we're actually going to go and see the public IP. So let's quickly go right here and check the IP, and there you go. You're going to see your website already running. So this was quite simple. But this is not what we want. We don't want to, visit our website on the public IP. We want to give it an actual website, a custom domain. So let's see how we can do that. Well, first things first, let's just go and check out our VPS directly. If you click here, you're going to see your VPS in your AWS account. You can go and connect. You can see that it's running. It's the newest version. We can go back to CodeSmash, just go and click on the network tab and just click here and click deploy. So what this is going to do is basically going to create a static IP for your VPS. So once this is deployed, just go and click on the domain tab and you'll see that static IP is now running. So once we have that, we can create a custom, a global distribution. You can now click this toggle as well and deploy it. So once this is done, once we have our custom distribution, which by the way can take up to 7 minutes to deploy, we will now have a system that can host a custom domain. And there you go. This is our custom domain, but this is a default CloudFront one from AWS. And as you can see, it's running. Now the only thing that's left for us to do is actually add our own domain. So you can see the domain button right here. You can go and click this register domain if you don't have one, but luckily I already have one, and we're going to set up this one. So at this point we can just go back to CodeSmash and let's click on the domains right here. You'll see that the domain is actually showing. The only thing you need to do is enable it for light sail. So once this is done, we can just go and click on the domain itself. And there you go. Here you can see all the DNS records. So this is all correct. It's all being set up by CodeSmash automatically. And what you need to do at this point is basically just add the root domain that you want to use into the DNS records. So simply by clicking the toggle, this is going to be done for you. If you also want to add some subdomain, just type it in here and click add record. So once this is done, we only actually need to do one thing, and that's going to be to add a new certificate. So click right here and just type in the subdomain that you want to add. Don't worry about the actual root domain because that one's going to be added automatically. And as you can see, this is already done, so we can go back. Just click here one more time and let's have a look. Yeah, so we have one certificate right here for our domain. So yeah, at this point, we probably want to check out and see if everything's fine. We can see the certificate right here. So click on this one and make sure you click this toggle button to attach the certificate to this specific domain. So there you go. And let's just go and visit it. And there you go. This is our custom domain that's actually running the WordPress website.